Welcome. If you want to change vibration settings in your ZTE Axon 11 5G, for first you have to go for the settings, and right now we have to go for the sound option right here. And right now, if you want to change the vibration options, you will got here two options. There's the vibrate for calls, and we can also switch from the silent to vibrate option with the power button and the volume up button when we press it on the same time. And also when we scroll down, we can find another vibration option. There's the touch vibration, so we can activate it with the switcher. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.